Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which Radeon GPU and Windows version you have, because drivers are specific. Once identified, make a system restore point or backup key files so you can roll back if needed. Next, close games, overlays, and third-party GPU utilities. They can block installers. Make sure your internet is stable. A 5 to 20 Mbps connection is fine. Now open AMD Radeon settings or device manager and prepare to download the correct driver build. Do not skip matching model and OS. You download the driver that matches your model and OS. Prefer WHQL for stability or optional if you need the latest fixes. Once downloaded, run the installer. Choose Express for a quick install or Custom if you want a clean install and to deselect extras. During installation, watch for prompts to remove old drivers. Agree to a clean install if troubleshooting. After the installer finishes, reboot when prompted. Once restarted, open Radeon settings to confirm the new driver version and check display resolution and refresh rate. You finish by validating stability. Run a game or benchmark for 10 to 15 minutes and verify temps, frame rates, and no crashes. If you encounter crashes or artifacting, make sure to roll back the driver in Device Manager first. If that fails, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode for a clean reinstall. Once everything runs well, create a fresh restore point so you can return to this known good state. Remember, manual updates reduce surprises. Check release notes before upgrading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.